Yeah, shameless commercial for DAP. They provided me with, I made a phone call. I said, I got this code. They said, well, it's your VP44. You need a new one? Great, send me one. They did. They sent me the VP44. They sent me the little tool to get that gear off, which was great. It's a one-time use tool. The threads were kind of soft, but it worked. It worked great. It came apart exactly as you would expect it to. It worked fine. There's plenty of online instructions how to change the pump. Yeah, you take this off, take the horn off, and blah, blah, blah. You've seen it all. I found it was easier just to completely remove these. I took all these lines, I just took them out. I took them out as a set of 2 without messing with these little blue things. The only thing I had to let loose was that one in the back there. This one, because I couldn't get the pipes out without that, because this thing, it was just, there wasn't enough room to get in there and work. And this stupid wiring harness was in the way to get that back injector out. Everyone says, oh, that's not hard. It's freaking hard. That was the hardest part. Everything else was easy. Even getting the valve cover off was easy because I put new injectors in. Again, DAP, RV275s, and they sent me new tubes, O-rings, everything I needed, and it really went easy. I just took my time. Now I got to do the lift pump because this truck does not have the lift pump on the side. I had the factory, the dealer installed replacement pump in the freaking tank, so I got to redo all of that. That's no fun. Right now I'm only getting 5 pounds on the highway, and it drops to 0 if I floor it, so not good. I'd be buying another VP44 if I don't change that, so truck's not driving until I get that lift pump in. Cheers.